So today in part one of this series, we're going to start with using Builderall to create a blog. Okay, of course, blogging is quite popular, and yeah, we are going to first discuss some things about blogging. Firstly, it's kind of some people might say it's like a fast way to make money, but honestly, it takes quite a lot of time to get your blog posts to rank on Google. I think Google mentioned something like 50 posts before you really even start getting any kind of authority on your site. And also it takes a month or two or three even for your site to actually even index on Google. So it's a long game, right? But you have to get started, and you will get rewarded for your consistency. So of course you want to try and post as much as possible, but also doing good quality. I heard on a podcast, one of the best ways is to think of writing posts that are 80% good. Don't spend too much time to try and get the perfect score on your post, because it will just waste too much time. Rather go for like 80%. Do as much SEO as you can, but don't waste too much time, and try to get as much blogs out as possible, because you would like to obviously rank on Google. Okay, so first thing about blogging, where do you blog? Well, of course you need to host your site somewhere. Okay, and in this course, of course, we're talking about Builderall. There are many other alternatives, but I believe Builderall is quite good. Okay, so let's begin. Firstly, when you get started with Builderall, you'll obviously enter a screen like this, and from here you want to start creating a blog. Okay, now to create a blog in Builderall, you can simply go here to apps and click on the Builderall website builder, or you can, for example, say start here, create a website. Okay, as you can see, there are many other options, but for today we're just going to create a website. Okay, so let me do this. It will take you to the Cheetah website builder. As you can see, here are some campaigns that I have, some websites, but today we're going to start with a brand new one. So we want to first say create a site. Now here you can actually choose some templates. If you choose professional templates, these are templates that are already made for you. Okay, you can choose from hundreds of different templates. So obviously you need to decide which one you prefer. Today let's do dentist. So if you're a dentist, or if you're writing for some kind of dentist niche, there is one way you can do it. Okay, you can click here to just preview the site if you like. You can see this is a general outline, and of course you can edit it as you like. So we're going to select this one. Once you selected it, it takes you right here to your page. And of course, these are each of the pages that are available in your website right now. Of course, you'd want to edit these sites. I can just quickly go here. I will also do another tutorial with more in-depth actual website design, but it works the same as any other drag and drop kind of website builder. It's quite straightforward. You click on the elements. You can edit the elements here on the side. Of course, you can go through these individually and actually see what to do. Okay. And yeah, the editing of the website is quite straightforward. So you can just edit anything as you like, as you desire. And yeah. But today, of course, we want to know how we can create a blog. Okay. So here in Builderall, you simply go down to blog. Okay. There are many options here to edit your website for SEO and for various other factors. But now we're just going to click on blog. And yeah, as you can see, I already did a test, but we'll do it again. So you want to create a new blog. Now this is kind of like your blog feed, which you could say, for example, we have a dentist niche. So this is a very stupid name, but blog. The dentist blog. Okay. A blog for dentist. Okay, of course you can create something more creative. You can change your thumbnail, and yeah, save. And now we have a blog created, Dentist blog. Okay, so of course you can go here and you can edit some of your details. Okay, if you're not happy with those. So then we go to edit blog. Okay, here in the blog editor, you can, this is an overview. You can see how many views you have, how many posts you have. It's a really good overview for you to look. First thing we want to do is connect. Okay, so you want to connect to one of your sites. Now we just created a site and I did not activate my site. Okay, let me do that. So of course you want to actually publish your site. I have it here. Oh, it's already published. My bad. I think I need to change the settings. So let's settings here. Let's change this to dentist. Terrible name, I know, but yeah, just for our sake. Now we know this is our dentist blog. Wonderful. Okay. Close this. Go back to blog. Okay, there we go. Edit blog. And we say connect. Now I know it's the dentist blog. So we connect it to the dentist blog. Now you can create a blank template. In this way you can edit your blog however you like. You can customize it. But for today, we're just going to choose the template that's already been made for us. Okay. There we go. Now we have an active blog. Okay. Now, after we've made an active blog, there are some things that we like to do before the time. So we can create categories. Organization is key. So we can say Dentist 101. This is just a random category I created. Okay, so you can make a category. You can choose your authors. This is really important to add before you actually start writing. Okay. The dentist. Dentist at dentist.com. Okay. The dentist. Of course, you want to add whatever information is required. And you can add some social media links to yourself as well, to the author, and also add an avatar picture for the author. Okay, this is okay for now, so we'll just say save. Okay, so now we have the categories and the author completed. We have an option here for post template. Okay, so when you create a post template, you can actually use this to create your like signature, for example, signature, etc., etc. Okay, and you can save this as a template. Okay. Of course, give your template a good name so you know what it's for. And author. I already added the author. Okay, there we go. So we have a post template. You don't need to create it, but it's helpful. So here we can go to post, and this is now where you actually create your post. Over here, it's quite straightforward. You choose your title. Title is the title. Of course, you want to optimize this for SEO as much as you can. I'll get into that as well. Thumbnails, we can edit our thumbnail here. Categories, of course, if you created a category, you can add the category. And authors is important, add the author. Okay. Time cycle, here you can decide if you want to post immediately or if you want to schedule it for some other day. Okay. And that is it. Now, of course, you want to create your content, and this works the same as any kind of WordPress editor or anything like that. You want to type your stuff. You can do your fonts, your headings, your size. Okay. You can embed links. You can also add your video content, so you can embed some YouTube videos or any kind of podcasts, things like that you'd like to add to your blog. Okay. So as you can see, creating a blog is quite straightforward. It's really easy, really simple, and Builderall makes it like that. You can save. Okay. Great. So now we have completed our first post. Of course, it looks quite terrible. So if you go back to the website, do a republish. Okay, so now we're back here to our main site. As you can see, we've got the feed and the blog post have both been added to our pages. Okay, you can of course edit the names or edit the page itself as you like. Okay, here of course we'll have the feed of all our posts. As you can see, the first post is here, and so on and so forth. More will be added. Okay, so that's how you create the blog. Now the real question is, how do you start making money? Well, of course, to make money with blogging, you want to use affiliate marketing, or you want to affiliate marketing or Google Ads. So, or AdSense, I mean. Initially, AdSense will be really difficult. You need to first actually rank your site and create enough posts, but you can always start with affiliate marketing as soon as possible. Okay. Now we need to obviously choose a niche. We need to create posts, and we need to do that as fast as possible. So we actually have a tool that's quite popular now. It's called ChatGPT. Of course, all of you have heard of ChatGPT. It's quite popular right now, and we can use it for various things. So for example, we can choose top dentist blog post ideas. Okay, now we can get some tips. Okay, of course you would like to run these ideas and these keywords through various keyword testing softwares to actually see its viability, but this is a way in which you can do that. So now here we have some options. Now we want to actually create our post. You can just write blog outline for, okay, and it actually gives us an entire introduction and everything that we need. So you can use this as a structure or framework to actually start creating your blog. Okay, and it really speeds up production quite a lot. So you want to, for each of these, you want to copy and paste them like this and ask the ChatGPT to create an outline for you. And here it actually gives like this. For example, we have an introduction, so I can copy this part, and once it's finished, I'm just going to say stop for now. Now we can say expand. So now that we actually have some outline, we can actually use ChatGPT to write content for us and to expand on these different factors. Okay, and so you can create an entire blog using ChatGPT. Then of course you want to you'd like to rephrase this, because although this is quite helpful, Google is quite smart as well with their own AI technology to actually detect when you are using AI to write your blogs. So you want to override that, or to get past that, you need to rewrite this and to add your own spin to it. Or you can simply use another tool. You can use an AI to pass AI detection. Yes, that is the world we live in. So I use a tool called Quillbot. You can also find the link below if you're interested. They have a free plan and a premium. The premium just allows you to add more text, where the free is limited to, I think it's a few, maybe 100 characters in total. So it takes you a bit more time, but in this way you can, when you have the premium account, you can add as much text as you want at any time. So we have some different options here. You can choose a standard, and here you can choose how much you want it to change. Now, if you do something like creative, right, and you actually use this at the most creative, it kind of rewrites the entire blog to make it seem even better and a lot more human, you could say. Okay, so that's what you'd like to do. You change it, and then this you can post into your blog to, you know, make it like a blog post. Quillbot also has this really cool AI writer, co-writer, which you can use to also just test your stuff. So you can paste the text in here, and you can check the grammar. Okay, and this also makes changes, like if a sentence doesn't sound right, it can also, you know, rephrase the sentence to make it sound better. Okay, so that's really the basics when it comes to writing a blog. Of course, you don't have to use ChatGPT, and you can do your own research, but ChatGPT really helps to speed things along. Okay, and anything you like, you can ask for SEO, you can ask for keywords, anything you like. Okay, and so that's the basic tutorial of how to create a blog on Builderall. And of course, if you want to start earning money online, you will have to promote some affiliate products. Now, I'm gonna have some tutorials as well on affiliate products, but the basic is you want to Google anything you like. In this example, I used a dentist. So you can Google for some kind of dentist affiliate programs and add them in where you can. You can also use some affiliate partner networks like Digistore24 or ClickBank, etc. And of course, if you want to promote Builderall, you can create a blog about Builderall and promote Builderall. So if you'd like to learn more about Builderall, about digital marketing, about affiliate marketing, and you'd like a full free course that includes how to do SEO, how to do ads, Google ads, how to rank organically, how to do various kind of things that we require for affiliate marketing, and to also join a community, you can join with the Builderall link below. It says free course. You can join the free course below and get started as soon as possible. If you found value in this tutorial, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.